One sample is all you need to make your next banger. You don't need loads of sample like most of you think you do, most of my students. One sample is all you need to transform everything you want to do. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use one sample to create a banger without no musical knowledge. So let's get straight into it after the intro. BANGER! Welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and I'm a music producer, songwriter from Lagos, Nigeria. And yes, I am one of the pioneers of the new age Afrobeat as we know it. In case you're wondering, who is this guy and why does he get to tell us what to do? And right now, the Krizbeatz Music Academy is currently ongoing, and you can click the link below to join the class. With that out of the way, it is really simple for you to do this type of thing. What you just need to know is the sample. You just need one sample that has all the music elements that you need. Of course, you should know how to make a drum, which is like one of the easiest things to do. The sample I'll be using is from the Krizbeatz Music Academy sample pack, which the link will be below to also try this out for yourself. I have this sample. So that's all I have, and I took that sample, I converted that to this. What did I do? So I took my sample, the one I really like that I want to use, this one, which is this one, and I created a new MIDI instrument. I created this lizard lounge. I used this lizard lounge as what I wanted. And then I dragged it here to transform the wave into MIDI. So I created an harmony. So it sounds like this. That is essentially playing the same thing as this. I just moved it up an octave, which is this. So I took the bass notes and I moved it into another note. I used that to create this modal bass here, and that gives me this. Remember, if I play them together, you get the gist of the original one. If I play it with the original sample where we started from, we have. If I play that with my hi-hat, you know, we have. So now we have the bass, we have the surprise elements, we also have different things. So we can also reverse or make one of these instruments half-time. We could do half-time, we could reverse, we could pitch the instrument, we could do octave for this one. Let's say this, we could do octave high for this one. You know, we could do that. So the only thing that I did that is not necessarily from the original one is I just looked at the notes, dun, 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 which is from here, which is from dun, 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 dun. Ba-da-da. So I copied that, ba-da-da, then I used it on this key bass, and then we get this type of sound. So you get the bass here, playing the root note, the roots note. Ooh, 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 ooh. Remember, that is the only thing I'm using to call back the fact that, okay, yes, it's still from the same sample. And just like that, with the banging drums from the Krizbeatz Music Academy pack, you have something that sounds like this. You know, the rap is going on here for sure. The rap is going on here for sure. I be the video, but I be the get there. Staff for deeper, laugh for deeper, jump for deeper, get gas, gas. I remember my people left it. Yes, so as I was saying, do not let the lack of sounds limit you. Always make do with what you have. You know, push yourself beyond limits to be able to get what you don't even think you can get. This is just one of the easiest way. You can take that same sample and change the notes, ensure that one thing is playing another thing, this one is playing another thing. And you can always lock it to the kind of key you want. In case you don't know how to play, you don't understand keys yet, you can lock it. If you don't understand keys and you know how to sing, is best because you can tell what harmony is, which harmony is supposed to come. And essentially what music is series of notes harmonizing each other. So you are trying to harmonize one song to another. So that is what you do to create this type of groove. And then the arrangement is key. And one of the scopes I tell my students for arrangement is take a song that you really like and lay it out, figure out what they did and how they where they were taking out stuff and adding stuff, and you'll be able to figure out your own sound from there. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this, and do well to check any of the links to grab any of the stuff, vocal presets but on Ableton, vocal presets on FL Studio, vocal presets on Studio One, vocal presets on Logic Pro, all coming soon. So yes, and let me know which or what you would want me to talk about next, as I'm going to be doing that. Oh, new update, the studio is finally moving, but I'll tell you more about that in the next video, and I'll see you. Love.